Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota Tacoma. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You will need a 14mm wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Also, have your new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket ready. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Now, let's drain the old engine oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, typically found underneath the vehicle. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to collect the used oil. Using your 14mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all contaminants are removed. Next, we will replace the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old oil filter housing. Inside, you will find the old filter and O-rings. Replace these with new ones, making sure to lubricate the new O-ring with a thin layer of fresh engine oil. Install the new filter and hand-tighten the housing, then torque it to 18 foot-pounds for a secure seal. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it to 30 foot-pounds. Carefully pour approximately 6.2 quarts of SAE 0W20 engine oil into the fill port. Once filled, replace the oil cap. Start your engine, let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks and confirm the oil level on your dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.